Just finishing packing up some of the small camera gear. Everything else is packed up. Truck's basically loaded up. Gonna get on the road for Oklahoma here in about 15 minutes. About a 10.5 hour drive here from central Illinois. So, gotta pick up one of the guys that invited me out on this hunt. So, I'm gonna leave here soon, pick him up, head on our way out there. Come along for the ride. Got to the hotel here. Everybody's getting unpacked and moved into their rooms, so we're gonna get settled in, make sure we got everything, and then we're all gonna head to dinner. So I think I'll just catch you guys in the morning. We're on a smaller spread today, but we're gonna get all in the layouts here and get set up.
Fucking single 13 pair of eyes on them.
You got it. Oh, here we go. Look at him getting off.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, I'm left-handed, so some of these I'm gonna stay down. You're gonna, because I can't swing. Where's it at? Oh, in
the decoy.
That'll work. That'll work. I was waiting for it to get up, but hey, that's two of them. Yeah, they're coming on the left here.
Yeah, that ain't good. So lost them fuckers. Son of a bitch. They start landing 500 yards away. Two of them, one by the house.
Well, we're getting some birds to work, but they're staying pretty high. So, just threw in a little different choke tube for a little farther shooting, but hopefully some more birds start to do it. I thought that big pack was gonna do it, but they scurried off. So, sit tight here and let the morning unfold. Holy shit.
Did you get any of that on camera?
You should see what I got on camera.
That was a good rip.
Yeah, he's still building cars.
I don't know a bunch. Did you get the one that ran?
Don't do that.
What?
That one's hit.
Oh, he's going down right
going?
now.
Yeah.
Boom.
We got them all.
That shell didn't go off. Huh.
Little girl,
Deal.
have pretty curls, but I like Oreos. Oreos are fun to eat. So. I know I got 6.
I thought I got 7.
That was pretty good.
Well, we're wrapping up here at this morning's hunt. It's about 11:30 here. Got a bit over than 40 birds. I don't know the exact head count. We might pile them up here, but pretty good day. Two nice big groups, and then a couple small ones here and there. I didn't have the GoPro angled like I should have at the start. Just not the best, but we got into some. It was definitely fun. First time hunting here in Oklahoma. You don't see stuff like that in Illinois. So 40 little geese and 1 speck, or 1 snow that is. But we're gonna head on back to the hotel here, grab some lunch, hang out for the rest of the day, and then figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow.
Usually peaks at lunchtime, so normally. So I was that's gonna get to that.
Getting all tucked in here. See what happens. Got them swinging on the right here. They're doing it off the right.
Shoot him! That doesn't count. That doesn't count.
Da 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 da. I didn't even see him.
Oh yeah. There's a blue right in the front.
Watch that one.
Ain't hurt bad enough.
Oh, I see a speck in there. Watch this one.
Hit that one.
No, he's gotta go. Yeah, he just went down. I think you and me did that one. You said.
Got it, nerd. Don't do that. More groups behind us.
got most of them.
Sweet.
We're back in Illinois here. Overall, it was a great trip. Didn't do much filming of the piles, but after the first day, we had 41 birds, 1 snow, and then the rest little geese. And then the second day we had, and it was 67. We had 55 geese, I believe, and then 12 ducks. So those are the 2 days I filmed out of the 4. The rest, we got into some ducks. I don't think they would have been quite as good on footage as the first 2, so I'm glad I got the first 2 filmed. But it was a fun experience. It's definitely a cool group of guys to go down there with. We went out with Bluestem Outfitters. They did a great job in putting us on birds. They're always scouting and got a lot of land they have access to. And if you're down in southwest Oklahoma, I would advise trying them out. But it was a great trip, and hopefully we have some more trips like this yet to come.